Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Points Blank Travel. My name is Rod, and on this channel we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about personal finance, points, miles, and cash back, and how to travel around the world or around the country for little or no money out of your pocket. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up and help the video get pushed out to even more people. And I really want to get this video pushed out. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it with your cousin. Share it with your cousin's cousin. I don't care who you share with. Just share it with someone. Hey, I just had a brainstorm. I was supposed to be relaxing today. Not shooting a video. Not doing a live stream. But I came up with this great content that I am going to be shooting live Wednesday at 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. This coming Wednesday, August 18th. You don't want to miss it. I am going to have a topic that's going to show you how to make your money explode from cash back from credit cards, and I don't want anyone to miss it. Again, this is the first time I've ever done this. I typically don't like preview or advertise a video or a live stream that I'm about to do, but I am so excited about this. I want to make sure you don't miss it. And again, tell everyone you know. Tell your cousin, tell your cousin's cousin, tell your family, your friends, people you barely know, people you may not even like. You know, I'm just saying, please share this out with everyone, because I can guarantee you I am about to show you how to make your cash back from travel rewards or cashback cards explode. And I was working on some stuff tonight, and I was doing some stuff, playing with some stuff, and man, I had an epiphany. And I was going to shoot a video, but I don't want to shoot a video. I'm going to do it live, baby, in true points blank fashion. And with all that being said, I got two things to say. First and foremost, let's roll, baby, and shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. And I can guarantee you, if you want to be amongst the stars, or if you want to shoot for the moon, you do not want to miss the live stream that's coming up this Wednesday, August 18th at 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. All I can say is be there. Be there. Because your boy's about to bring it. And until then, peace, baby.